Hello students, welcome in this video, and this is the platform of Indian English School Theatre. You know that I am teaching the textbooks these days, but today I am going to teach a topic of the grammar as the name determiners. Okay students, and what are the determiners? There is given the definition also. Definition: the words which comes before a noun and modify it. Okay students, the words which comes before a noun and modify it. And determiners comes always before a noun. Determiners comes before always a noun. So determiners are like modifiers. Okay, because you know that these words modify a noun. These words modify a noun. So they are called as the modifiers. Okay, so you know that the determiners are like modifiers. And what are the types or kinds of the determiners? As you know, there are, the first type is given articles, and another types of determiners, demonstrative determiners, and the third type of the distributive determiners. And the next type of the determiners is possessive, and the next type of the determiners are the quantifiers and the interrogative determiners. And as you may know, what are the determiners are used in these types of the determiners. So you can see that there are given determiners in the article portion, a, and that. In the demonstrative, these are this, that, these, and those. Okay students, and in the distributive determiners, these are either, neither, each, and every. In the possessive section of the determiners, these are my, our, your, his, her, its, and their. In the quantified determiners, these are some, any, much, many, many, several, various, all. In the interrogative section, the determiners are what, whose, and which. Okay students, and first of all, I will teach you the article determiners. As you know that, what are the article determiners? Article determiners, these are use of a, and the. And there are two categories of the article, and the. Okay, and the. The definite article is the, and the indefinite articles a and an. Okay, so I teach you the separately use of and the. Okay students, okay students, and now we take the first type of the article determiners. First type, article determiners. Okay, and you know that we can classify the article determiners in two ways. These are definite article and the indefinite article. So you know that definite article which are, this is the, and the indefinite article, this is a and an. Use of article though. Before the universal things which are unique or popular itself. Okay students, before universal things which are unique or popular itself. So first of all, we Times of India, the Hindustan Times. Before the trains, we use article the, such as the Garib Rath Express, the Ala Hazrat Express. Before the sun, article the. Before the moon, use article the. Before any comet, use article the. Before any directions, use article the, such as the east, the west, the north, the south. Before the planets, we use article the, such as the Venus, the Saturn, the Earth. Before the religious book, we use article the, such as the Gita, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible. Before the popular books, we use article the, such as the Discovery of India. You know that this book was written by the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Before the citizenship, we use article the, such as the Indian, the American, the Russian. It can be another, such as the Korean, the Chinese, the Russian, the British. And before the mountain series article, we use article though, such as the Himalayas, the Arabi. It can be another, the Rocky, the Andes. Okay, students, and this is the first rule of the article the. We will learn the second rule of article the. I tell you, you should know that the definite article is the, and the indefinite article a or n. This is the first rule of it, because you know that before a unique or popular things we use article the. So you should learn these, and they may be another examples such as these types, because anything can be popular or unique. Okay, students, so I teach you the next rule of article the. Okay, students, and this is the second rule of article the. When we repeat a noun, we should use article the. Okay, there are two rules of the article. You can learn article a and article the. First of all, when we repeat the noun, but when this is the first chance of writing the noun, use article the, use article of. But when we use this same article in the second time, in the third time, in fourth time, we use article the. Okay, students, so first of all, but we use at first a noun, we should use article of. But when we use article in the second term, in the third condition, so we use article the. Such as once there was a king, so there is article a. The king was very kind. The noun king is in the repeating mood, so there is article the. Before a superlative degree, we should use article the, such as the highest, because you know that in the superlative degree, we use with an adjective word est or most. Okay? So there is given est. This is the superlative degree. Before superlative degree, we use article though, such as the highest, such as the biggest, such as the longest, the most intelligent, the most represent, an adjective superlative. So most plus adjective, most plus adjective. This is an example of superlative degree. So before a superlative degree, we use article though. The most beautiful, the best. For example, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. So the highest is the superlative degree, and we use here article though before a superlative degree. In the second sentence, he is the tallest boy in the class. Here is the degree, superlative degree is the tallest, and before it we use article though. It is the best thing to use in a study. So the best is the superlative degree, and we use article there before the superlative degree best. And the fourth term is, the fourth rule is, before an ordinal number, we use article though. For example, the first, the second, the third, the last. Here are some examples for this. The first person took it seriously. The first is the ordinal number, so we use it before it, article though. And the second rule is, the second example is last. Last is the ordinal number, and here is used of article there before the ordinal number. So these are the rule of article though. So students, you have understood how to use article though in proper way, and now then we learn the use of article a or an. Okay students? Okay, and here is given the use of article a or an. So we can see that the use of article a and an. When the first letter of the word sounds vowel, so we use article an. But if sounds consonant, we use article a. And there are given some examples related article a and an. I have done my homework before. Space a. There are options article a, article an, and article though. And you can understand that when we pronounce or sound of the word are, so it will be R, and there is sound, the vowel, so we will have to use article N, so there will be answer N and R. I studied in space university. When I sound the word university, the first letter of the word sounds consonant, university. So there will be answer A. When we take the third example, he has taken space orange during refreshment. When we sound orange, the first letter is A, and A is the vowel, and so there will be answer article N. And the fourth question is I saw space man, so there will be answer a man, because the man sound, the first letter sounds consonant, so there is answer article O, a man. The fifth question, space stranger standing near a pool. So, stranger sounds, the first letter sounds consonant, so there will be answer article A. Okay students, and we have completed the use of article. How to use of article a, and the. Okay, in the second condition, we will learn the use of determiners, demonstrative determiners. These are this, that, these, and those. Okay, students. So we learn use of article, or use of determiners, this, that, these, and those. Okay. Okay, students. The second type of the determiners are the demonstrative, and you know that demonstrative determiners are this, and the plural of this, these, that, and the plural of that, those. Okay, this and these are used for near, that and those are used for far. Okay, and for example, this pen is beautiful. Okay, this is singular noun. Okay, this is used before a singular noun, and that is also used before a singular noun. But you know that this is used for the near and that is used for the far, and you can observe both of sentence. These books are lying on the table. Those birds are coming towards the village. These and those are used before the plural noun. You can see with books and birds, both the words are plural. So we use here these and those. These is used for indicating the things for near, and those are used for far. And the third type of the determiners, distributive determiners. These are each having either and neither. Distributive determiners takes always a singular noun, and we use a singular verb. Okay, each plus noun. Noun will be singular. A certain number. Noun will be that has a certain number. Every plus noun. Noun will be uncertain number. Okay, it has the uncertain number. Either it means one of both. Neither it means none of both. Plus we use of noun. Either student join a group. There is student a singular noun, and we use either before a singular noun, and here means one of both, and we use neither before a singular noun, and here means the neither, none of both. Okay students, and you can practice by your passbook and any helping book